How to download Roblox on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can download Roblox on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to basically download Roblox on your PS4, all you have to do is you can see Roblox is now officially available on our PlayStation Store, both on PS4 and PS5. So if you want to download it, just head over to your PlayStation Store, and once you head over to your PlayStation Store, at the very top you'll be able to see the search bar here, and then you simply want to go ahead and then type in Roblox. And once you type in Roblox over here, you should be able to see a list of the Roblox game, and right here you can just open it up, click the download button, because in my case I have already happened to download it, so you will see the start button there. But if you haven't downloaded, you'll find a download button. Make sure to download it. It's completely free. Make sure you have enough space, and then you should be able to play Roblox in that way. This way you'll be able to download Roblox on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.